Alrighty, hello everyone. My name is Christopher Rodriguez, and today we will be learning how to use algebraic methods to solve linear systems of equations. So this goes for any line equation like y is equal to mx plus b. We can use these various methods to solve for x or for y. By the end of this video, you should be able to solve systems of equations by substitution and elimination. But before we begin, we need to know vocabulary. Some vocabulary words include substitution and elimination for the most part. To start off with substitution, when we're solving an equation using this method, you solve for one variable and then you substitute it into the other equation. You can think of it like a substitute teacher. What does a substitute teacher do? They fill in for the absent teacher. In this example, we use substitution to fill in what we don't know to find the said variable x or y. So now here we have an example of using a substitution to solve systems of linear equations. My first step is I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this equation as y is equal to x minus 1 and x plus y is equal to 7. So since our first equation has already been solved for one variable, which is y, we can simply plug this value into our second equation to solve for x. So now we have x plus x minus 1 is equal to 7. Our second step is to combine like terms. X plus x becomes 2x minus 1 is equal to 7. I'm going to isolate my variable, so I have to add 1 on both sides. I'm left with 2x is equal to 8. I have to divide by 2 in order to leave x by himself, and we find that x is equal to 4. We now substitute our x value to find y by plugging into either or equation. Let's use our first one because it looks like the easiest one. So we have y is equal to x, which is 4, minus 1. So what is y equal to? So the way that we write our answer is 4, 3. To solve an equation with elimination method, you have to get rid of the variables by adding or subtracting the equations. You can think of it like a tag team. You have to team up in order to get rid of an opponent, right? In elimination, you have to team up with another equation to get rid of a variable to solve it and eventually find your answer. So let's try elimination using this example. So we have 3x plus 2y is equal to 4, and 4x minus 2y is equal to negative 18. So if we set this up like in addition problem, we can see that we have a positive 2 and a negative 2. So we can team up and we can eliminate this variable. So we're left with 4 plus 3, which is 7, and 4 minus 18, which is negative 14. Dividing both sides by 7 leaves us with x is equal to negative 2. Now using our substitution method, we can plug this into any equation to find our y variable. 3 times negative 2 plus 2y is equal to 4. Negative 6 plus 2y is equal to 4. We add 6 on both sides. We're left with 2y is equal to 10. Therefore, our y is equal to 5. We write this as negative 2, 5. In this video, you learned how to solve systems of equations by substitution or elimination. Thank you so much for watching my video, and here are all the credits.